Hello everyone, my name is Tejashvi and today I am going to present my project pitch for embedded system developments and it's about plant monitoring system. The problem description. Nowadays a lot of people do not have time to take care of their plants. They prefer to do something else. There are also people who even forget that they have a plant to take care of. There are a lot of indoor plants that do not get enough sunlight nowadays. They get ignored inside their houses. And some plants require a specific type of water regime, so messing it up might kill the plant. People do not have any idea about how long the plant has been getting sunlight for and at which temperature, which can be critical for some plants. The available technologies. There are some type of technologies that are available in the market. One of them is the self-watering pot. This works by putting some water in a reserve spot in the pot and the water is slowly fed to the plant. The other system that is available is the compressive soil sensing water timer. With this, we have to program the system first, and depending on how we program the timer, the system will water the plant. But what's wrong with the actual technologies? The system available on the market are very expensive and not very good for small-scale planting. These technologies are closed app source, which means that we cannot get access to any code that is already available in the system. Also, not enough data are collected and given to the user, so he doesn't have a proper idea how well the plant is doing. Like the system might be too complex to implement for some type of people, so it's not really worth going for those designs for the systems. However, to solve these problems, I will create an automated system that will be able to keep track of the temperature and soil status. It will also have an LED equipped to emit light along with a GUI where the user can choose between actions and will be able to do it through internet. I will also make the system send a notification to my phone when the soil moisture goes below a point required. The benefit of my design is that my code is open source and anybody can create whatever I created. The system is ready at a lower cost. It also saves the harass of remembering when was the last time someone even watered the plant. You don't have to worry about it anymore. You can just do something else and then just get a notification on your phone and just put some water and go back to whatever you were doing. The user is also able to select what to do with the lighting option. Through this system, we are also able to access the GUI and control it from anywhere we want, as long as we have internet. That is all for me, guys. Thank you for your attention.